Hi, my name is Umar Qureshi, and we are sitting here celebrating an iconic year for Indian cinema. It's 100 years of the Indian movie industry and 70 years for Mr. Bachchan, one of my favorite persons. I've had the occasion to interview him very often, but this time is very special. Welcome, Mr. Bachchan.
Thank you so much, Umar.
Even today, Mr. Bachchan, there's this massive crowd which comes outside your house, and on Sundays it's like one of the iconic spots to be, and you make sure you don't disappoint them. You go out there, you wave to them, you take pictures. Like, what is the motivator? Is it just the fans, the adulation which moves you?
Of course, yes.
Yeah.
I mean, these people have come from great distances,
yeah.
and they've spent hours standing outside there, whether it's raining
Yeah.
or whether it's the heat.
Yeah.
And all they want is to see
Yeah.
you. And
Yeah.
so I think
Yeah.
it's it's only proper that I go out and at least wave to them. And they demand nothing. It's just very, very simple things that they want. They just want you to wave out, want to see your face, perhaps sign a few autographs, take
And
a couple
go
of
back.
pictures, and that's about it. So I just go ahead and do it.
And there was a time when you and the media couldn't stand each other, and you were at loggerheads. And of course, all that's changed right now. I think they wrote a lot of stuff about you which you didn't agree with at that point in time.
Yeah.
So anything you would want to revisit?
The ban came from the media first because they had misconstrued this concept that I was the one that had instigated the press censorship in the entire country because of the emergency and because of our relationship with Mrs. Gandhi, which was untrue. And then when I was not being mentioned, when I was being just wiped out from all publications, then I felt that there was no need for me to meet the media also, so I kept them away. And this continued for several years, but happily now we're all happy with each other and realize the futility of all that.
Apart from Jayaji, who do you think you made the best pair with on screen? There was Hema Malini, there was Parveen Babi, there was Zeenat Aman, Rekha, Sridevi.
First of all, they're all very, very accomplished artists, so a great privilege for me to be working with them. I think after Jaya, I think with Jaya I've done the maximum number of films.
Right.
The next would perhaps be Rakhi Ji.
Right.
Then there's Rekha, there's Zeenat Aman, there's Parveen Babi, Sridevi, not so many, just 2 or 3 perhaps. But all of them just wonderful memories and great films that we did together.
Yeah, amazing film.
And moments that we have spent together. It's been a wonderful experience and a fantastic journey, yes.
Yeah, and your best co-star, who had the experience, your pleasure working with, there's Dilip Kumar, there's Shashi Kapoor, there's Rishi Kapoor, Dharmendra, Rajesh Khanna.
Oh gosh, they're all names that none of them you can really ignore. Dilip Saab, of course, because of the iconic stature he has and remained my idol even to today. So that was a completely novel experience. But all of these, whether it's Dharamji or Jitendra or Vinod Khanna, they all came before me, and I was always in awe of them because we were, in the same profession, and they were.
Amazing sequences between the two of them.
And yes, we were able to build quite a comfortable camaraderie, so to say, amongst all of us, because that's how it should be, really. Otherwise, your work suffers. And I'm happy that I was able to do that.